Welcome to 5-Minute Tool Reviews, where I review a tool that I purchased with my own money in 5 minutes or less. Today I am reviewing the Wagner Flexio 3000. I've owned this tool for a few months, and I believe I paid around $150-ish for it. So this is a handheld turbine-driven HVLP unit. It has a motor, a pump, and different sized heads that you can use for different purposes. The heads are interchangeable. This is called the iSpray nozzle, sprays thicker latex paints. This is the fine finish nozzle that apparently will spray lacquers, clears, stains, and oil-based paints. I'm sure if you properly thinned your latex-based paints, this would spray it as well. As you see, it twists on and off, so it is nice if you're doing a couple different things. You can purchase additional heads as needed and just have them pre-set up with your different products. That concept I really like. I think is a really good concept. I do wish it was better executed in this design. So I bought this unit because I do a lot of small projects in people's homes. I have a $800 Titan airless unit that is great at spraying latex paints and finishes and does a great job of that, but you have to have like at least a gallon of paint to get the thing going. I bought this because it has small volumes of paint. If I'm doing a door, something like that, I would love to be able to set up in somebody's yard, spray their front door, get it painted, let it dry, hang it up, and be on my merry way and use less paint, charge them less money, and provide a great finish. I also bought it because I do a lot of clear coats and the same premise applies. So that was the goal of this unit. Overall, I love the concept. These guns are easy to clean. The setup is quick, it's simple, it locks together like you expect it to. You've got plenty of adjustment here, 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 and here, and that all works fine. However, I was not able to get the quality finish that I require for my work. I got a lot of orange peel. I got very heavy orange peel with this gun, where I'm expecting a very smooth finish. This one does clears okay. However, this head very quickly broke, where it doesn't really stay locked in anymore. Yes, I can buy another head for about $10-15, but I had another second head that I had that very quickly the O-ring seals in here messed up and it would just shoot paint out everywhere. The truth is, with spraying paints and finishes, you just flat are not going to be able to get a high quality, long lasting unit for in that $150 range. Can you get a good finish with this? I believe so, if you really babied it, use the right products. You're going to have to get thinner paints that are really designed for cabinetry, furniture, such as Kelly Moore Durapoxy. I got to run through with mediocre results. I'm able to get it glass smooth with my other sprayers. Of course, those are professional rigs. The pros are easy to use, easy to set up. It's really easy to clean. If you're just really getting in, wanting to experiment with spraying some finishes, I think you can get by with this if you're not expecting perfection. You're just kind of to see what all the fuss is about spraying finishes. With the fine finish head, I really think it's the only one worth using, and it does come with this unit. The iSpray, it's for like walls and stuff, and leaves a very heavy orange peel. Honestly, guys, they say it's faster than a brush, but if you're going to paint a room, just roll it and be done with it. That's what we do on the job site, and it is going to be faster than this finish nozzle will be. But I do believe if you properly thin your material, get it lined up, these fine finish heads can give you close to the results that you're looking for. Would I buy it again? No. I threw away $150 that I won't get back again. I really wish that wasn't the case. I'd love to be able to buy a decent sprayer for $150, but this head, not so great. This head can be good if you take care of it, baby it, but longevity is not going to be there. A lot of cheap plastic in this. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. And if you own this sprayer, leave your experience down below so we can have more knowledge than just mine. And if you have more questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them, and hopefully somebody who might own this sprayer and has a different experience than me can come in and answer your questions as well. Thank you very much and have a great day.